Hi, this is Shay from Crafting with Shay. We have a brand new Munimade diamond painting to show you guys today. It is absolutely gorgeous. Let's look at the details, okay? Yes, look at this. It's got this beautiful bouquet of flowers. Oh, I love it. I love the blue background. So, Munimade paintings do come with this sticker. This entire thing is a sticker. And on here, it's going to have all the details of the painting, plus your stickers for your containers. And the name of this painting is called Bouquet of Happiness. And it is from Diella Taylor. Now, Diella is actually a new artist to Munimade. And of course, Munimade only sells licensed artwork, so she definitely supports her artists. And Diella is actually a fellow diamond painter, and she is autistic. So I would love for us to support her. I love her artwork. It is just, it's stunning. Okay, so with this sticker, what I do is I actually cut off the sticker right in half, and I save this part of the sticker in my logbook. I keep a logbook so you can have your start date and your end date with all the information. So let's see, for all you square lovers out there, it is a square. It's got square drills, square diamonds, okay? The diamond count is 23,760. It's a great size. It's a 45 by 33 centimeters, and then it has the SKU number down here. Now, what I love about these stickers, they are individually cut, so all you have to do is just peel them and put them on your storage containers. And if you don't want all this information, some people just want the number, the letter, the symbol to put on their storage containers. They don't want the DMC. They don't want how many drills there are. There's a separate sticker. See, you can just peel just this one little sticker off for your storage containers. I love that Munimade does that. Okay, there are 44 colors total. That's a lot of colors, yes. And as you can see right here, these are all shaded a different color, all highlighted differently. These are all special drills, so there's a lot of them. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shimmer drills. Wow. And then 1, 2, 3 ABs, and AB stands for Aurora Borealis. And it's a special coating they put on the drills to make them sparkle just a little bit brighter, and even the drills next to them. So let's get into it, okay? Let's go ahead and see what you get with this painting, and what we're going to see where all the special drills go. First, let's go ahead and look at the color palette. Beautiful, beautiful rainbow of colors. I mean, you've got, and what I also love about Munimade is there's that SKU number in case you store your drills separately than your paintings. Some people do that. These drills are individually bagged and in order. They're in resealable bags. So if you want to, you can just start diamond painting straight out of the baggies, because they're resealable. You don't even need to kit up. You don't need to use these stickers if you don't want to. If you just want to just hit the ground running, you can do that with these. You guys, look at these colors. We've got all different shades of blue, yellow, orange, pink. It's like a rainbow. Absolute greens, just beautiful color. Love the colors, plus all these special drills. So let's go ahead and take a little tour of the canvas. So it's a great size, like I said, just perfect size. You do have a legend here on the bottom left, and another legend over here on the top right with the thumbnail. And on the bottom, it has all the information. And then, of course, it's got support the artist. Definitely go check out her Instagram. And there's Munimade's website. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see where all these special drills go. Let's start with these shimmer drills. There's so many. All right, so let's start with the yellow. And I do like how she has the DMC on there with the ND. That means shimmer drill. So 445. Now you can tell. Let me show you guys one that you can really, okay, this green one, for instance. If you're not familiar with a shimmer drill, do you see kind of that, almost like a gold coating on top? It's real subtle. I love these drills. They're just, I mean, they become one of my favorite drills to use. So pretty. All right, so let's see where the yellow goes. We're going to start at the top. That is the star symbol. And looking at the painting, I definitely see in these yellow flowers, if you guys see that lighter yellow right there, kind of highlighting the edge right here. So in that flower, oh, there's a lot of that yellow star in this one. And also here, a lot in this one, and then kind of highlighting this one as well. Oh, and this one. Okay, all right, that's going to be really, really pretty. I love this one. You're probably going to see me working on this in the future for sure. And that's a big bag of the yellow. So that's the 445. And the next one we have is a 602. And that's this really pretty fuchsia color. And that is the and sign. Okay, I do see that. That's going to be kind of highlighting this one pink flower right here. Do you guys see that, the and sign? Kind of that darker pink all throughout the here. So I only see it just in this flower, which I really like how they're highlighting just that one flower. Love, love that touch. instead of kind of spreading it all throughout, they're focusing just on that one. Yeah, that's all I see it. That's the only place I see it, and it's just right here, and there's a lot of it. And then next we've got 666, which is a really pretty red. And that is a little triangle. Okay, I definitely see it all right here. It's that white, that red with the white triangle on one side, one corner, so right here. I also see it swirled through here in these flowers. See a little bit in the center. Oh, and there's a lot up here. Y'all, I am in love with her artwork. I hope she brings more of her artwork to us because I would just absolutely love that. Okay, so the next one is a green. That's 699. That's a big bag. It's like a Kelly green. And that is, okay, I do see it in the leaves, okay? It's that kind of that white circle with a little line through it. Yes, it's all through these leaves. It's right here. I see it through here and down here. So yeah, it's definitely going to be highlighting the center of the leaves, okay? All around here. Yes. Yes, and all the green, I see it in all the leaves. All right, next we have an orange, which is 740. There's a little bag of that, so it's probably just going to be a small highlight somewhere. And that's like the little tree symbol. And I see it a little bit right here, accenting just a little bit of the orange in the center of this flower. And where else do I see it? There it is. I also see it right here. So these two yellow flowers that look similar, they're going to be a little bit of that orange highlighted in the center. Oh, that's so pretty. Love that. Okay, next one is like a white. It's a 3865 shimmer drill. And that is this symbol. It's going to be all in the white right here that you see in this flower. I see it here. I see it through here. Oh, I also see it in the vase. Little bit of speckle in the vase right here in the center. And where else do I see it? I see it up here. Very, very pretty. All right, the next we have is the 3 ABs. Okay, so we have 210, which is really light purple, like a lavender. We have a 702, pretty green, and then we have a 741. That's my favorite orange. All right, so this is gonna be 210, and it's that symbol. This is gonna be highlighting, I almost wanna call it baby's breath. The little baby's breath. See the little purple flowers right here? All those are gonna be an AB, kind of sprinkling down there. And I do see them here and here. So it's kind of like in the tip, almost like I said, it's kind of like that baby's breath, just kind of sprinkled all throughout. Oh, that's so pretty. So here, 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 and here. Okay, and the next one we have is the green. That's also going to be in the leaves. So you're gonna have shimmer drills, and you're going to have an AB in the green of the leaves. Yep, I see it all through the leaves. Yes. Oh, you guys, I just love this. It's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, our last special drill is 741. And that's that diamond symbol. All right, I do see it highlighting. It's this orange diamond right there. So it's here, here. That's a pretty good size bag. All through here, kind of swirling through this flower. Here. And here. Oh, I see it throughout all the flowers. It's like touching everything. Yep. Do I see it in this one? No. Okay, so, oh my gosh, you guys, I love this. Love, love, love her artwork. Okay, so that's the painting. Okay, let's talk about some optional add-ons that you can do to complete your experience here, okay? So what you can do is with Munimade, which you know she also has 3D printed trays, which are amazing. You can upgrade your toolkit to a premium toolkit. Now the color that she's chose for this, now this is just a swatch. It will be a lot bigger than this. You're gonna be getting a small baby blue diamond painting tray with a lid and a stopper. Okay, so that would be your premium upgrade. In addition to that, you also get this organza bag that has all these extras in it. You get a random cover minder, random washi tape, you get pads of blue wax in this pot, you get tweezers, you get a diamond painting pen, a novelty pen. So she just really, there's multi-placers, so you just get loaded up with goodies. You also get this, okay? And if you also want to add another add-on, you can order a dust cover bag. The color that she has chose is a small pink, okay? And it's got the drawstring right here on the sides. And this just keeps your diamond painting safe, clean. You can travel with it. Speaking of traveling, the other add-on that you can include is a telescoping tube. It's a carrying tube. It's got her logo on the end. And again, it just, you know, you just take this off, and it is telescoping depending on the size of your painting. So you just kind of notch it, and it goes really, really long. Yeah, it gets really long depending on this. So it doesn't have to be necessarily for this painting. And what I also do, all the Munimade paintings also come with this tag. So what I do is I attach this to my tube, and it's got all the details. It's got a picture of the image, and it just hangs off the strap. And then on my shelf, I know what painting it is, okay? So that's it. Do you guys want to know when it's available? If you're seeing this now, go run over to the website and grab it before it's gone. Also, subscribe to Munimade's channel, ring that bell so you don't miss any other future videos, okay? Thank you all for watching. Take care. Bye, guys.